It's also like here they're making a lot of snow, so the snow is a lot of different textures.
That's cool. Yeah, like I said before, this is a superstar glacier, like it's called.
How did you know? Where did that come from?
It's because it's able to stay open till like June.
Yeah, but I'm sure it melts down, freezes up, melts down, freezes up.
Yeah.
Yeah, because like look at this, they got snow making the whole way on this side.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Yeah.
They pour snow onto it. That sucks.
Oh.
Treacherous trail.
Well, like that one here. That should it's sort of weird that was like a hard. It was just
It's hard because there's no
no
freaking
snow on it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, see up here, this was sort of gentle noodles.
This is one of the sketchy retrofit ones.
What do you mean?
This was built by Yan, and then they Poma retrofitted it. They changed the grips and everything. If you can tell, because the towers are different. You see the tops?
Yeah. What do you mean? The tops of what?
The tower. It's like a triangle.
Oh yeah. Now I see. Yeah, what does that mean?
It doesn't mean anything. It's just a way to tell the difference between an X-Yan and like a bunch of other different types. Honestly, the glacier is a good term. People like the glacier idea because it just means longer skiing. Right far.
No, it's like good branding. Yeah, I could take like a quarter or